Welcome back. Here with us on Trading Hour, and it's a quiet day for the large cap indices. All the action is in mid cap. Look at the way the mid cap index is roaring away, and I'll give just some examples. Look at Cadila Healthcare 7%, L&T Finance about 8%. You've got stocks like BHEL, Apollo Tyres, TVS Motors. It's a big party out there on the mid cap street, and that's where the money action is. Let's actually take some thoughts up with Jay Thakkar now. He's got a couple of trading ideas going in. Jay, thanks for joining in. So it seems that people are getting a little stock specific, at least today. What are your strategies?
Good morning to you, Surbi. Absolutely. In fact, Nifty has taken a pause, Nifty and Bank Nifty both, and it seems that, Nifty is, likely to consolidate now within this range of 12,800 to 850 on the downside to maybe, 13,050 to 13,100 on the upside. So we can see some 200 points range, continuing in Nifty, but then yes, the broader indices, we can see the breadth, in fact, is absolutely positive, wherein Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap indices are performing absolutely well and up by almost like 2 to 1% up respectively. I think stock specific activity, as you rightly said, Surbi, will continue, and hence I have two buy recommendations because Nifty I think will consolidate, but there are a few stocks which have provided a clear breakout, one of which is Manappuram. It seems to have provided a very nice breakout from a ascending triangular pattern that's been formed on the daily charts. Currently is trading around 178. One can buy Manappuram targeting around 190 with a stop loss of 169. The momentum indicators have clearly provided a buy crossover for the short term. The second buy recommendation is on Bajaj Auto. The auto space has done quite well, especially the two-wheeler space as well. And Bajaj Auto has clearly provided a breakout from a falling channel, and it's been now started to form high tops and high bottom again with a clear buy crossover in its momentum indicators. In fact, we have seen some good long build-up here as well from the derivatives front. So I think on the lower side, 3160 is now very crucial support for Bajaj Auto. With that as a stop loss, one can buy this targeting around 3360 to 3400.
Short on time. Jay had a few more questions next time. Appreciate you joining in with that. We take a break. We are back. Anand Shah, CEO of NJ Advisory, on the other side, market fundamentals.